Hello friends, I am Dr. Hina, Senior Consultant Fertility and IVF at Cloud9 Hospital, Lucknow. Nowadays in modern advanced labs, the day 5 transfer, that is blastosis transfer, is better than day 3 transfer because on day 5 paternal and maternal both genes get activated, and it has been found that those embryos which reach the stage of blastocyst are more capable of giving a pregnancy. But of course, in those labs where the environment is not very healthy, in those cases the day 3 transfer will be better.